Hey now, Stan here from Music is What Moves Us. And what I'm going to do today is show you the chords to the Rasta Man's Bob Marley, Three Little Birds. Uh, it's real simple. The thing is, I've watched different people on YouTube, and the strumming pattern is what always kind of didn't sit right with me, because a lot of people will sit there and just do all down strums, or they sit there and do all up strums, because that's the way most Rasta music is. It's more up strums, but it didn't give me the feel, the beat, so I kind of came up with my own strum pattern. I'll show you the chords, which are A. So you have the fourth string, the third string, and the second string on the second fret. So you can either use 3 fingers, or you can sit there and do a bar. You have the D, which is the third string on the second fret, the E, high E on the second fret, and the B string on the third fret. Then you have the E, which is the third string on the first fret, and then on the second fret you have the fourth and the fifth. Now my strum pattern is basically down, up, then palm mute the strings. Alright, so it's so the chorus is basically, all you're doing is going back from A to D, and the first line is you're doing A for 8 bars. So the whole first line you're on the A chord. The second line you switch to D for 4 bars and back to A. Then it's A for another 8 bars, and then it's switch to D for 4 and back to A for 4. Now the verse basically goes from A for 4 bars to E for 4 bars, back to A for 4 bars, to D for 4 bars, back to A for 4 bars, E for 4 bars, then it goes down to D for 4 bars, then ends on A, and then the whole cycle goes right on over. I actually learned this song on a bunch of different websites, or not websites, on YouTube channels. Marley Music, he does one. Justin's Guitar, which I got his song book. I don't know if you can see all the things, chord progressions, and I watched other people, play it. But like I said, you start out simple with the down strums or up strums, and just go through the chord progressions, and then I just basically just came up with my own, just so I could feel the music, because I didn't like it the other way. So like I said, it's down, up, palm mute, down, up, palm. And remember, the silence in it is as much important as the note itself. So you gotta let it breathe a little bit. You gotta, once you get used to chord progressions, then you just start feeling it. don't have to follow that. You can not hit the strings. Just, feel the music. Have fun with it and enjoy the song, because that's what it's there for, is to enjoy it. Feel good. So this has been Stan from Music is What Moves Us, and I hope that helps some. If not, like I said, check out, Marley Music or Justin's Guitar on YouTube, and see if you like the way, they're going about doing it. Music is a universal language. It's all in how you feel. All right? Have a good one. Take it easy.